Welcome to another video, guys. My name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave, and I want to show you a few things that are going to be really helpful to you, and why Online Sales Pro for me has been such an icebreaker for my business, for everything that I've done. And I've actually built a whole system called the Pro System with the help of Online Sales Pro. So it's up to you whether you want to do it for your various other companies, but I've included the other companies within my system itself, and that's how I promote everything under one umbrella. And without Online Sales Pro, I would not be able to do that. So we're going to talk exactly how the app is working for me, what are the benefits for it, and I'm going to show you, give you a sneak peek into the app as well. In fact, let's begin with that, and then I'm going to go to talking about everything else. Okay, so let's try to share my screen. Let's go ahead and share the screen on my iPhone. I'm not sure if this will work. Let's try it, and it should be fine. So yeah. Okay, so apparently I need to go to, let's see what I can do this. Okay. Yep. Then I need to go and select AirPlay. Where the hell is AirPlay? Should have set this up before, guys, but whatever, it's okay, not a problem. I will just find this and go ahead. Okay, just give me a second. Okay. So let's stop share again. I want to share my screen to here. Okay. Great. Should be now on my phone if you guys can see. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but definitely we'll check it out. Okay, so I'm gonna just click on OSP right here and show you the app. So the app, as you can see, last week I'd actually sent traffic to another link, so it wasn't through my OSP, but in general, Online Sales Pro helps me keep track of everything that I do online. I have over 2,000 leads that have gone through Online Sales Pro, 44 last week, 5 this week. And if you scroll down, you'll see that I have different pages and everything set up right here. Now, I want to quickly show you guys when I get a lead, okay? The beauty is, so let's click here, and I'm going to just quickly show you. I got a lead, and these are my leads, okay? If I scroll down, you're going to see my leads right here. I'm also going to go to notifications, and I want to show you when I do get a lead, this is what happens. Okay, so congratulations, you got a lead. As you can see, I got also $20 per month in my pocket through an affiliate payment there, and leads and leads and leads and leads and leads. So I've been generating quite a bit of leads, guys, as you can see from this section right here. Well, let's go to home once again. And the reason why I love Online Sales Pro is because I built my whole sales funnel here. If tomorrow somebody asks me, hey, David, can you send me a link? And I'm on my phone, all I need to do is click share. It pops up the options of my share. I can click it through Messenger. Okay, now just for anything else, I can use Messenger to share it with somebody. Okay, or I can click view. And if I click view, it'll open the exact page that I have. And it's a mobile version of it, but as you can see, it is a page that I can share with my people or whoever asks for the app. So let's go back, and I want to scroll down right here. So this is all the pages that I built. So as you can see, I've been using Online Sales Pro a lot because I have Online Sales Pro for the last 2 years, guys. So it's obvious that it does make a difference for me. Another good thing that Online Sales Pro has is that anytime I'm doubting myself, I need some marketing training, Online Sales Pro helps me right here. Okay, because it has exactly what I need in it. So for example, an opt-in video script. Okay, I just go, sorry, here, and I can easily watch this. And it tells me exactly what I need to do. It's an hour-long training. I can be in the car, I can be in the bus, whatever it is. Without this application, I would not ever build the things that I should have. Okay, so for example, 5 hot things every marketer should know about. This is very, very good training for me in order for me to build my system. Lead generation made easy, traffic secrets, email secrets, these are all part of creating a mindset for myself and doing the work. So Online Sales Pro by far is the best foundation that I found. And in case I need to send send an email out to anybody, for example, I'm just going to use anybody's example right now. I can actually send a text, a call, and an email to anybody, so I can be in real time in contact with my leads. So this is the phone app that I'm going to show you. Okay, now let's go back to the page that we have in place. Okay, I want to enter into Online Sales Pro on my computer because it's pretty much a similar kind of thing, but I want to enter it on my computer and give you guys an idea of what it does. So why am I saying that Online Sales Pro for me is my foundation, is everything that I have, is the key elements to what I've been building online for the last few years? Because that's the reality, guys. It's helped me set the foundation. It's helped me put everything, all the pieces together like a puzzle to fit it together. So I have a business. I need to make my presentations flawless so that every time I put someone through that, they can make a decision to either buy or go away. It's that simple, yes or no. Online Sales Pro helps me to do that. Then it also helps me to follow up with my leads, to communicate with them, to have a conversation with them. So it's definitely one of the key elements as well. Thirdly, it's created a residual income for myself. So that's the added advantage. Now I have a revenue stream from it. So obviously it's going to be the foundation to everything that I build because I'm using it as a product and it works. I'm using it as an income stream as it works. And I'm using it for people in general to duplicate and share. Because with Online Sales Pro, I can just give them a code and they can have the exact thing that I built. I might have spent days on it, but I'm giving it to them for free. Okay, just because they have Online Sales Pro. This is the beauty of it. It tracks everything. It's a complete CRM. If you guys don't know what a CRM is, it's basically a customer relationship manager. It manages my whole customer base. So obviously there's a foundation. You know how your customer service is one thing that you can't live without, and then having a CRM for your customer service, having a CRM for your business is very, very important. This is a CRM for mine, and I'm going to take it seriously and use it that way that it should be. So Online Sales Pro has done personally these things for me, which I can gladly say for the last 2 years, it's been the foundation of my business, and it will be the foundation of my business from a lot of years to come. So I've shared the elements, guys, with you in this video. The app is perfect. They're changing always. They're innovative. They're giving me fresh content. They're teaching me about Facebook ads. And I can go on and talk about Online Sales Pro, but you have to understand the benefits for you. You can have other kinds of softwares available, but Online Sales Pro for me and the Pro system is what put the glue together. So I like to share a little bit of the Pro system myself with you guys. But in today's video, I wanted to talk about Online Sales Pro. And if you're interested in getting Online Sales Pro, the link is in the description of this video. My name is David Pinto. If you have anything else to add, this is not a review on Online Sales Pro as such. It's going to be just an informational video for you guys. There are lots of videos on Online Sales Pro people who are as an income opportunity, but I'm just guiding you and thinking and telling you that it also is a foundation for my business itself. What is it for yours is up to you to decide. If you want to know a little bit about the Pro system itself, also that is in the description of this video, but you can reach out to me at any point of time. My name is David Pinto. I'm going to see you on the next one, and thank you for watching this video. Hit the subscribe button if you do enjoy it, and again, links are in the description. Thank you, guys.